The Macquarie Atlas formula describes a multidimensional resonance and integration architecture of being human. She explains how self-location, meaning, development, action, and system coupling arise simultaneously and remain connected with each other. The focus is on the assumption that human development does not proceed linearly, but is organized through horizontal development, vertical integration, and feedback movement dynamics. The horizontal development describes the movement within the 12 fields of human existence. In this process, the individual unfolds between self-space, authentic self-expression, and meaning space. The first 6 levels form the immediate self-space and the resonance capability within one's own structure. Steps 7 to 12 describe the ability to perceive meaning independently, to name, to integrate, and to return to the world. Vertical integration describes the ability to create coherence across all subject areas. Development here does not merely mean an increase in knowledge, but rather an increasing connectivity between perception, body, language, action, habit, time structure, and orientation. The diagonal movements do not form a main structure within the atlas, but rather regulatory coupling axes. If the 2 main diagonals of the 12 halves 12 matrix are considered closed, from A1 to L12, as well as from L1 to A12, a horizontal figure 8 is created as a continuous resonance and integration loop. This opposing movement dynamic enables feedback, stabilization, and continuous reorientation through the inner center. This creates a significant difference compared to purely technical recursion or cascade models. Technical systems often optimize process continuation, sequencing, and recursive processing. The atlas, on the other hand, describes conditions under which integration remains stable across multiple levels. Not the mere forwarding of information is at the forefront, but rather the reintegration of experience into an integrated space of meaning. The sagittal interaction describes the movement between self-space and the external world. This can either take place through the inner center and the realm of meaning, thereby creating genuine meaning formation, or take place directly as a reflection and repetition of systemic content, with or without feedback. This explains why interaction can be both integrative and purely reproductive. The inner center functions as a regulatory coupling space between orientation, habit, body regulation, action, and meaning. It forms a functional integration zone through which stabilization, feedback, and self-perception become possible. The potential space describes the creative inner space of a person. Core Area 0 describes a non-content reset and reordering space. The access to reorientation and interruption of existing patterns is enabled. The entire system operates simultaneously, horizontally, vertically, diagonally, spirally, fractally, asymmetrically, and amorphously. Fractal dynamics means that changes within a field have effects on the overall system. Amorphous dynamics describes the ability to adapt to changing contexts and resonance spaces. The asymmetric system coupling describes that external systems only address a part of human development. A significant part of human meaning-making remains tied to personal experience, self-location, and inner integration. The Macquarie Atlas formula thus provides a consistent structure about which resonance, development, dysfunction, action, integration, and system effect can be located simultaneously